Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. We have the LG STYLO 6 right here. One of the most popular budget devices on my channel right now, because overall it's one of the most popular devices on Metro by T-Mobile. Also, it has one of the nicest designs I've seen on a smartphone. It's got the boxy shape to it, and it's got that 6.8-inch display with the triple cameras and overall new design. I know the LG STYLO 7 is coming out soon, but we're gonna go over some cases. If you are a case head, then make sure you stay locked in with me. But we're gonna definitely cover some LG STYLO cases right now. So shout out to ArmadilloTek for sending these cases out, and make sure you guys stay locked in with me. So here is the first case from ArmadilloTek. We do have 3 different colors. They're all the same color. So let's start out with the black one, since I do love black. That's probably my favorite color. It does have military grade case, Vanguard Series. So this is the Wander Further With Us case. So you can enjoy this case if you are the type of person who likes to hike. Maybe you are in the construction business and maybe your lifestyle consists of that's rugged lifestyle, where you definitely need something that's going to endure more impact if your phone falls. We do have that covered right here. So and that's in a literal sense. This literally will cover your phone. One of the best protective cases. Let's put this off to the side and take a look at some of the contents that come in here. So we do have your important information right here. ArmadilloTek does have you covered if you do need any assistance as well. Now, wait, what is this? Okay, so this is the other side. Now, this is the front cover. This will be your front protective film with your screen protector. I do like this as well. Now, my LG STYLO 6 does have a screen protector on it. I'm not sure how that will interfere with the LG STYLO 6 when you're inserting your your case. But we're gonna go ahead and take off the tempered glass right here from the LG STYLO 6. As you can see, I'm gonna put this off to the side just to make sure that doesn't interfere with the installation process. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull this off, and I'm going to test out the pen as well on the screen just to make sure that there's no like anything happening with the screen protector. Make sure you're still able to write on the screen. All you have to do is insert the front portion of this case, and when you turn it to the right side, you will see that all the cutouts are apparent. So we have to add the second layer to actually get the buttons. So let's put this on second. We're going to start with the right corner, the right upper corner, then the right top the left corner right there. You could pop in the bottom corner as well, and then just kind of pop everything in there. You will get your cover up for your Type-C port right here, which will actually be sealable, so you can pop that in. You also do have one for your your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can close that as well. You also do have a cutout here for your microphone. They did a really good job with the cutouts on here. Also, look at that symmetrical grip on both sides as the buttons. I'm going to go ahead and touch the power button. Now, this is to test out to see how the buttons feel. That click felt really satisfying. Let's give it a, oh wow. So you can see the camera cutout is extremely protected on this case. It's got a thick layer of plastic, heavy duty plastic. Really clean. This doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Really sturdy. And the other thing that's pretty cool is you do have a pullout for your multimedia. So you can use it in the landscape mode right here. And let's see, there is a case review from Gadget Goddess, and this is a premiere video. It just came out 4 minutes ago. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's see how that looks on the LG STYLO. She's actually...
somewhere where I'm going to need a little extra protection because I might drop my phone. This will be the case I will carry.
So let's just put this right here off to the side. So look at this. This thing is standing up on its own. I'm gonna go ahead and like this video. So you can see this is really cool. You can use it as a kickstand, expand the screen as well. I'm gonna turn down the volume just because it's a little bit loud right now, but really good job with that video. I have to watch that in some more detail, but the lip protection on this case is extremely good. You can see all four corners are covered. It does have the Vanguard branding right here, and I definitely like that branding right there. Now, if you're a minimalist, you know, probably not the case for you, but if you're the type of person who definitely doesn't want to worry about the phone dropping in any situation possible, then I would highly recommend this case. I'm definitely going to do a summary of my top 10 Stylo 6 cases and let you guys know which ones are my favorite. But this is the Vanguard series in black. Now you can also get it in orange and red, so I will be giving these away as well. So if you are watching this video, I'm giving away the red Vanguard case and I'm giving the orange Vanguard case away as well to anybody watching this. So if you're a case head, hashtag LG STYLO 6 case head in the comment section down below, and I got you covered right away. I'm gonna send this out to you this week. So the first two people to actually comment will get those two Vanguard cases, but my favorite color is black, so this is official right here. I don't need all three colors, I just need one. But I definitely would recommend this case for the LG STYLO 6 is if you're the type of person who doesn't want to, even if you're not the type of person who works in construction or something like that, the buttons on here feel really clicky, really premium. And you also get this protection for your Type-C port, headphone jack as well, cut out. I just think this thing is built really premium and strong and sturdy. Also, we're gonna test out the pen just like I said we would do. And when you pull that out, I'm gonna write a note on here. Let's see if we can write a note. So this is the Vanguard series. Wow, no issues whatsoever. Vanguard series, wander further. And then thanks for watching. Alright, so yeah, this case is really official. The tempered glass on here, there's no issues writing on that. It doesn't interfere whatsoever. I'd give this a solid 10 all around, all across the boards. You're not going to have any complaints with this case. The buttons feel great. Lip protection, you get a tempered glass, you get a kickstand for watching multimedia content as well, things of that nature. Solid build, construction is overall really nice. Hard plastic, one solid construction, but you can pop it off really easily just by popping it right here on the corner. You can get that off. You can see it's popping out really easily. Then you just start out with the other corner right here. So you just hit that. Then you go for the other corner. And you could take the case off really simple. But that's pretty much it. I just want to say that this case is really solid. So I just want to give a big shout out to Vanguard and everybody over there working really hard to make these really durable cases for people with an active lifestyle. But make sure you leave hashtag Vanguard series so I can send these two cases out to any case heads, but it's got to say case head in the hashtags for me to send these out free. And the first two people I'll send these out with. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. I appreciate every last one of you. You guys are really real MVPs. I appreciate everyone who's watching that is showing their support and appreciation. And I just want to say peace later, crew. I'll check you guys later.